Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up QuickBooks for your business. First, you'll choose the right QuickBooks version, like online or desktop, to match your company's size and needs. Then, accurately enter your business's legal name, address, and contact information. Finally, select your industry from the provided list. This helps QuickBooks tailor your chart of accounts for better financial tracking. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start. Next, you'll customize your chart of accounts, which is vital for organizing your finances. Connect your bank and credit card accounts directly to QuickBooks for automatic transaction imports. This saves time and reduces errors. Don't forget to set up bank rules to automatically categorize common transactions, making reconciliation much faster and more efficient for your daily operations. Now, let's populate your QuickBooks with essential business contacts. Add all your customer information, including contact details and payment terms, for easy invoicing. Then, enter your vendor details to streamline bill payments and expense tracking. Finally, create a comprehensive list of all the products and services your business offers, including pricing, to simplify sales entries. Finally, you're ready to manage your money flow. Learn how to create and send professional invoices to your customers directly from QuickBooks. Record payments received to keep your accounts accurate and track any outstanding balances. Most importantly, utilize QuickBooks reporting features to generate essential financial reports, giving you clear insights into your business's performance and health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.